Hello there. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. It's dark, and I was wondering how my boat looks lit up. So I did. And here is how she looks. So this is the aft deck. Not very romantic, is it? That's my spotlight. That's on. That works. It's a bit of a funny angle though. I need to grease it up. Oh, that's my finger, you can't see it, but I need to grease it up so it will operate a bit smoother. I need to watch where I'm going so I don't walk off the dock here. You probably can't see it, but this is the end. One step and it's sploosh. So, my top light, navigation light, the other one, the red one, is on port side. You can't see it from here. I'm scared to fall in. But hey, it's functional, it works. I need to do something about this to create a bit of an ambience. I mean, to work at night or in the dark, it's fine, but yeah, it's a bit clinical. Okay guys, it's Wednesday afternoon around 3 o'clock and it's time to do the engine tour. Yeah, I haven't been there down much myself, but it has to be done. So let me grab a light because I don't have fixed lighting in there. So I'll grab a light and then hopefully I'm able to show you something. And I need to measure something, and that's quite of a surprise to me, for sure. Hui. Okay, let's go in. Okay, so of course I made a mistake. I'm sitting here editing the movie, and I see myself speaking into this camera, and I have the GoPro mounted down below in my engine room, and that's on recording already. So through the GoPro I hear myself talking to this camera, but this camera wasn't turned on. So I don't have that footage. So I just gotta run it, show you my mistake, and yeah, it is what it is. I'm only human, and yeah, who cares? Here we go. Okay, got my light, got my measuring tape, got a pen and paper already down there. So, let's go, let's take a tour. Alright guys, just a bit of padding for my knees, the lights, and here we are. So this is the DAF 1160 1160. Apparently she delivers 270 horsepower, so that's quite a lot. Not as much as in the old Lady of Life. She had 330, but she has two engines and this one has one. Okay, so let me get you. Oh, and the thing I want to measure up are those, that one and this one, the diesel tanks. When they advertised the boat, they said they had it had a diesel tank with 200 liters of capacity, but I'm guessing that's over 2,000 each. So that's a good thing. Well, not for my wallet of course, but yeah, she has range, but how much I still don't know, and I need to measure it up so I can get a ballpark figure as to how much liters of diesel it can hold. So let me crawl in there and measure it one up. Well, it is a bit of a squeeze, but I got myself in here. Now I'm hoping I don't get a cramp. That would be something. So this is 1 meter 26. Oi. The width is about 91. Oh, let me get my pencil. What did I say? 106? 126. 1 meter and 26 centimeters. And the width is 91.5. And the height is, I got measured there, so I need to do it here. 71.5. And that's ballpark, of course. 71.5. And that's port side tank. Port. Now let me see if I'm able to turn myself around. Hey! Oh man. Being Dutch and being tall is not always handy. Yikes. Yeah. Does this slide? It does. Look at that. Right. Okay, get this one will be the same size. 126. Yeah, it's the same. So that's good news. I have two exactly the same tanks. Yeah, let me get you out of that corner and show you the rest of the engine room. So the ballpark figure of my capacity of my tanks is about 800 liters each. So that's 1600 liters of diesel I can carry, and that's about 422 gallons. I noticed that I didn't do the math, so here we are. I did the math. So in total I can carry about 422 gallons of diesel. And that's quite a lot. Loving it. So here in the back, that pipe, that's a stern thruster. And it's a pretty big one. Goes all the way to the both sides, of course. Duh, that's logical. Hey. Right. Some spare parts. And the handy bucket, I need that up top. That in the back there, that Lister Petter, I don't know if you can read it, but that's my how do you call that in English? Aggregaat. I have to look that one up. Right, I was ill prepared for that one. This is called an engine, I know that. Okay, there's my power bank. 4 big batteries, master volts, inverters or converters, and it's all neatly packed and stowed away. So that's awesome, and everything works. Alright, let me get out of here. Okay, well, here's the engine, the specs of it. She puts out 155 kilowatts, so I need to convert that to horsepowers. They said it was 270, but I'm not believing that, to be honest. I think it's less, but we'll see. So here's the back of the, oh my god. Okay. Yikes. It's a tight squeeze, guys, sorry. I have some storage space here, and I'm gonna use this to store my pillows for the upper deck. So that's her. Yeah, it's awesome. Hui. So these are the pillows I have for those benches and for this engine cover, and I'm gonna drop them down there underneath there in the back. I mean, it's dry as can be in there, and I need the real estate inside. And there they are. And before I go cruising or a little trip or whatever, I need to tie them down with a strap. I mean, I don't want them to get caught in moving parts over here. That's not a good thing. But I don't have a strap yet. I need to get to the store and get one, and then I can strap them down. But I will make a note of it in my phone, and I won't forget. Hopefully. You never know. Awesome. Morning. It's about 11 o'clock Friday morning, the 4th of October, I believe. It's National Animal Day here in Holland. So, yay! And it's shower time for me. Oh yeah. So let me show you how to get there and what I encounter along the way. I mean, some pretty awesome boats to see it over there. So let's go. It's nice to have a bicycle here, because yeah, it's quite a walk. And it's an awesome day. Clear blue skies, as you can see. These are some really nice people over here in this boat. A nice catamaran. And this is something special. I don't know what this is. The Heron. It's an awesome one. Bit shabby, but this is this could be one of the bed and breakfasts. I don't know for sure. Alright, so I have to get off here. I mean, this is a bit tricky to film and bicycle up that ramp, so let's be safe. Oh, there we go. And this is Archer. Nice little boat. Yeah, she has something to it. Nice paint. And that's my favorite, the Albatross. That's a barge. It's a houseboat. They built it themselves, and they're from the UK somewhere, I believe. And it's a big one. So let's go. Whee! Don't fall, don't fall. This is Shipyard Damen, one of our major overhauling companies. Shipyard. Let's be careful here. Whee! And then there's this thing. Squirrel. It's a trawler. This is the English barge. Look at that. That's a big one. Modern one, I don't like these. Oceans 5. This one is a bit special as well. This one is also from the UK. It's from London. She is absolutely stunning. Look at this. Chasing Dreams. Awesome. This is an old Dutch boat, the Anita 2. But look at this one. This is my favorite. Let me get back a bit. The paint job on this one is the best I've seen ever. There's not a speck of rust or whatever on it. And she's a big girl as well. Gorgeous. Next to it is a traditional Dutch sailing boat from the 1800s, I believe. You see these a lot here in Amsterdam and in the Netherlands. Then there we have Perseverance. This is a sailboat. This looks to me like a Grand Banks, or it could be a Japanese Grand Banks or something, I don't know. Then we have this one at most, Sail for Earth. She's nice as well. I'm not into sailing, but if I did, I would have something like this. A really big one next to it, the Nomad. Yeah, awesome. This one is beautiful as well. Look at this. Whee! That will cost quite a penny to buy. Look at those lines. She is gorgeous. Right, so let me get through this gate and I will go up those stairs in there and take a shower. Alright, so that's the entrance. This is an awesome marina, by the way. You can do your laundry here, iron it. You have to bring your own iron, I think. Yeah, use these as well. To use both of them, the washer and the dryer, it's 9 euros. And you pay through this system. Yeah, really good. And these are the showers, really big, really nice ones as well. You have hot water all the time, little bench, and a place to put your stuff. Yeah, so let's take a shower. So I had my little shower and that was amazing. You could even take a bath here if you like. You don't have to pay any extra for the showers, only to do your laundry. But the price you pay here for your boat to moor includes water, electricity and the showers. So that's really good. So this is the other part of the marina. It goes all the way to the back there. So it's just a little bike ride, 5 minutes or so, not even that. And then we'll come up to the ferries. Those ferries, by the way, are totally free. You could just hop on them and go across. You don't need a token or a card or whatever. Just get on and go. And they will run under any circumstances.
with heavy winds or snow, rain, hail, whatever, they still run. That's amazing. And here we are. And this is the spot the ferries cross, and they go to that building over there, Pontstijge, and they go to Central Station from here. And from there you just hop on the tram and visit Amsterdam, or hop on a train and visit Holland. This is a nice little area. Whee. Some shops over here. Surprisingly, Amsterdam carols, delicious. I don't know what. I think it's coffee or something. It's empty. Pizza. That's not good to know. A little salsa shop. Fresh Mexican kitchen. Awesome. Empty again. So, let me go onto this pier, and in the distance you can see my boat, and let's see how close we can get. Here we go. Never mind, just cross the road. It's a bit bouncy, guys, sorry about that. I'm filming this with my GoPro, so it should be okay. This is an old Navy ship, Dutch Navy ship. It's now part of Varend Erfgoed. That means heritage, and it still runs, and they still go out with it. This is an old one as well. Old ferry. This is a training ship for the offshore. This is a really old one. It's a radar sail-on boat. And yes, those wheels are still there and they still work. So this is the end of the pier. And now I need to hop on here and go over there. Well, didn't see that one coming. It's closed with a gate. I thought it was public access, but it's not. Oh well. There she is. She looks small. So this ship, the Veronica, well, people my age and in their 40s and 50s and older, of course, they will know this. This was a radio station back in the days, in the 60s and 70s, and they were illegal. And eventually they got caught and the government shut them down. But this radio station, Veronica, turned into a television station. They still make radio and they're completely legit right now. And this is their old boat. They went out and had their broadcasting thingies. Okay guys, well, it's almost 3 o'clock this Friday afternoon and I want to upload this tonight, so I better get a move on. Well, there's only one thing for me to say, and that's I noticed a huge increase in subscribers, so thank you very much for that. I'm over 300 in a week. Wow, I mean, awesome, thank you, that really means a lot to me. Yeah, I will carry on making content. There is a button I found in my boat and no one knows what it's for. And
It's nagging me. I need to know what it is. Here's a picture of it, and yeah, we'll see what it does, if any. So guys, have an awesome weekend. Thank you for watching again, and thank you for your comments. Really helpful and really fun to read. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers, bye.